crash course number 22. So let us begin once again with the very important question and answers, very important names, works, and the details which is required to have the optional examination. Means जहाँ पे 4 options का exams आता है, whether it may be any exam. So first question is, students, that Ben Jonson says Spencer writ no language. Whatever is coming to my mind, I am just trying to make it out on the board. It may seem a simple question, but I have often found that the students, they don't know that Ben Jonson ने स्पेंसर के लिए कहा था that he read no language. Ben Jonson का नाम आया है, so here I would also tell you that he wrote a work known as Timber, और इसको दूसरा नाम कहते हैं Discoveries. Timber or Discoveries. Now, because it is a crash course, again I am telling you, it can be from anywhere from the entire course. So it is not a coordinated question answer round. It is not in the sequence wise, because crash course can never be in sequence. In the crash course, in the initial classes, I have taught you the chronological development with question and answers of the history of English literature. But now these cannot be chronological. आर्ट ऑफ रिटोरिक किसने लिखा है? आर्ट ऑफ रिटोरिक, it is written by Thomas Wilson. Written by Thomas Wilson. And these are the works which have been asked in the various examinations. Now, can anybody tell me that who used the term poetic diction? Poetic diction. It was first used by, who used this term first? That is John Dennis. John Dennis. Fine. I still remember that I have taught you Horace Ars Poetica. So Horace Ars Poetica, which I had told you in the earlier crash course session, that work, Ars Poetica, is actually a model for which of the work by Alexander Pope? So the answer is Essay on Criticism. कौन सा ऐसा वर्क है हॉरेस का which acts as a model for writing some work by Pope? So this work is Essay on Criticism. So I can write it down here. Horace Ars Poetica is a model for which of the work by Pope? Essay on Criticism. By Pope. चूंकि पोप का नाम आया है, so I would also tell one thing all important, that is the work of Shakespeare. The work, ये जो वर्क है, the work of Shakespeare, this was also written by Pope in 1725. Fine. And we all know that yes, Pope has also written essay on man. And this essay on man written by Pope is based on the ideas of Lord Bolingbroke. Somehow, somewhere you can come to know that somebody is asking that Pope's essay on man is written on whose ideas. So you can tell it is based on the ideas of Lord Bolingbroke. Fine. Now, the next question, how many sections are there in Dr. Samuel Johnson's edition of Shakespeare? I'm again repeating the question. How many sections are there in Johnson's edition of Shakespeare? So students, it had 8 sections. 8 sections, remember it. Now, I'll give you a quote. A stage is only a stage. A stage is only a stage. Players are only players. Players are only players. This statement is said by Pope in which work? In Preface to Shakespeare. A stage is only a stage, players are only players, which is written by Pope in Preface to Shakespeare. Fine. Sometimes there are many questions which are asked for telling the correct pair. Correct pair means ये वर्क किसने लिखा है. So many students sometimes they make mistakes. जैसे I will not write it down here on the blackboard, not needed, just orally. Apology for Poetry. The correct pair is Philip Sidney. Lives of the Poets by Dr. Samuel Johnson. Essay on Criticism by Alexander Pope. So these questions with the correct pair with the answers, options, they come in the examination too. And suppose if I ask, Dr. Samuel Johnson has treated which great author in a very unjust manner in his Lives of the Poets? We all know that Dr. Samuel Johnson is known for writing one of the great works like Lives of Poets. So Lives of Poets में he has dealt with 50 plus authors. So उन authors में से सबसे ज़्यादा unjust जॉनसन किस author के साथ रहा है? So for example, I can write it down like this here. Dr. Johnson has been very unjust with which writer in his Lives of the Poets? So here the answer would be Milton. So remember this. Johnson has treated Milton very unjustly in his Lives of the Poets. And yes, to tell you one thing, we all know that yes, Dr. Johnson was the last Augustan. He was the last Augustan. And this Lives of the Poets by Dr. Samuel Johnson is actually a biographical commentary. It is also a generic criticism and along with textual and practical criticism. And this Lives of the Poets was originally named as Prefaces, biographical and critical to the works of the English poets. ये पहले इसका बहुत बड़ा नाम था. ओरिजिनल नाम क्या था Lives of the Poets का स्टूडेंट्स? Prefaces, biographical and critical to the works of the English poets. बाद में ये चेंज होकर के हो गया Lives of the Poets. Fine. So